Everyone says that AI can build you a working app, but can it really? Today I'm trying out a tool called Roark, which is an AI app builder which lets you build cross-platform mobile apps in under 35 minutes. So if you're a startup founder or small to medium business owner, you probably thought about developing your own app idea, but then the unfortunate reality hits where you find that developers can get expensive, timelines stretch out, and suddenly your $5,000 quote eventually becomes $20,000 in the end. And this is where tools like Roark are getting a lot of hype and attention at the moment, because it can literally take your app idea, generate the code in React Native code, connect it to a backend, and let you preview it live on your computer and on your phone as well, all powered by AI. So I wanted to test this out from a real world founder's point of view, not just build another habit tracker or to-do list, because that's been done to death at the moment. So something that your business might actually need. Roark uses the same technology like behind the tools like Lovable Dev and Bolt AI, but its focus is on mobile, specifically cross-platform apps with React Native. So this means there's only one code base which works both in iOS and Android. So you pretty much describe your app idea in plain English, and the AI will start generating the screens, the navigation, and the logic in real time. So this was the following prompt that I typed in Roark. So I said, build a booking app for a fitness studio with class schedules, payments, and a login page. I gave it the specific prompt, and within under 10 minutes, Roark had already built the app structure, which included the login screen, the booking tabs, and the class list, which is pretty impressive for zero code and is from natural language English prompts into the AI prompt inside Roark. So here's what I tried. I wanted to build a real-world app and not just a UI mock-up of an app. So I tested Roark if it could handle these three real-world requirements. The first one being user authentication, so can users sign up and log in? The second one being is the back-end data. Can it store and fetch real data like schedules or bookings? And the third one being is the feature logic. So can I add something dynamic like book a class or cancel a booking? So Roark actually generated the working screens, which was great, and was able to connect them to the Firebase database automatically, which is great. So I could log in, view the data, and even see if it updated live. But to be honest, it wasn't 100% perfect. But after 35 minutes of AI app building, the app was surprisingly real. And I would say that around about 60% of the app was actually functioning. As you can see, the app is on my phone at the moment, so this was the app that was generated from Roark. So at the moment, there's no Stripe integrations at the moment, so the Roark hasn't been able to integrate the Stripe payments and all that. There is a bit of mistakes in regards to the menu. One of the menus is saying that one of the classes aren't found, so that's a bit of an issue. But I am able to see like current the classes which are available as well, and I'm also able to cancel them as well, which you can see on my screen here. So it's not 100% ready and perfect. It still needs some work to be done, but we can still use this existing code base that we've generated with Roark and just build it on and improve it from here. Now this is unfortunately where most AI builders unfortunately hit the wall, because once you go beyond the surface level features like integrating like Stripe and PayPal payments, Bluetooth connectivity or custom APIs, the AI will start creating mock functions out of it. So what you'll end up seeing is that you could end up seeing like placeholder code, broken logic, or missing error handling for these functionality. So unless you can read and write the React Native code, unfortunately you're going to be stuck most of the time. So here's the unfortunate truth. AI tools like Roark aren't replacing developers 100%. They're replacing the blank screens. So if you're a non-technical founder, you can use Roark to prototype your app idea fast and to get your app idea into a working demo that you can potentially show to potential users and investors as well. So that way, when you're ready to go live, you can hand over those AI-generated screens and code to a developer who can stabilize your app idea, scale it, and secure it properly. This is the smart way to go about things, because you're going to end up saving weeks in design and development and still end up with a reliable product in the end. Because I've tested Bolt, Lovable, Base44, Flutterflow, and now Roark. And what I'll say is that Roark is probably one of the most polished AI app builders, especially for mobile app development, especially for cross-platform mobile app development today. It's not 100% perfect. It still has some flaws like all the other AI app builders, but it is fast, visual, and you're able to see your app on your phone after it's built your app prototype, and it's useful if you know how to leverage this as well. So this is the key to using AI when you're getting started, not just to finish your product. Because building an app in under 35 minutes isn't the hardest part. It's actually building a profitable one. So if you need help turning your app idea into reality and you need help doing so, I would invite you to click on the link below to book in a free call with me to discuss how I can personally help you bring your app idea to life in the shortest amount of time possible. The link is in the description below. Again, thank you for watching today's video. If this video has helped you out a lot, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.